Welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to display toast messages in your Flutter application. A toast message provides simple feedback about an operation in a small pop-up, such as error message or success message. In this tutorial, I will be using this Flutter toast package which you can find in pub.dev. One of the biggest advantage of this Flutter toast package is that it can display the toast message widget without build context, and it is supported in all platforms. Next, to add it in your Flutter project, go to installing and get the latest dependency version and add it in your pubspec.yaml file. To prevent any version conflict, make sure you are using the same environment SDK as mine. So now in my Flutter project, I have created a very simple application that only has an elevated button, as shown in the simulator. So now I will add the Flutter toast display function inside the onPress function of the elevated button, so that when the elevated button is pressed, it will pop out the toast message. So to display the toast message by this package, we can use Flutter toast.showMessage function. Don't forget to import the library of the Flutter toast package that you have added just now. And this is the show toast function that used to display the toast message. This show toast function takes a MSG parameter and it represents the message. Here I will add a random error message and you can customize based on your needs. At this point, the show toast function is complete. However, this library provides a number of customization that you can apply to your toast message, such as the toast length, the toast gravity, the background color, the text color, and so on. Now I will apply some customization to my toast message. And most importantly is that this is an error message, so the background color is preferred to be red. And there's one more customization called time in second for iOS web. And these parameters control how long the message will be displayed. Now let's hot restart the application and test the toast message in the simulator. As you can see, a red error toast message is displayed when I click on the elevated button. And if you feel that the error message staying for too long, you can change the time value. And this is how you display toast message in your Flutter application. Here comes to the end of the tutorial. If you have any question, feel free to comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next tutorial.